we have two shapes here. Now, both of them are triangles, because what do we know about triangles? Triangle is a polygon having three sides. So, in both the cases, we have three sides, but each one of these is a different type of triangle. So, while we call this a regular triangle, this is an irregular triangle. So, what does it make this regular? Let's see. Well, when we talk about a regular polygon, a polygon is regular when all angles are equal and all sides are equal. So, this triangle will be a regular triangle if all the angles are equal and all the sides are also equal. So, let's see. In this case, what is happening? Well, all the internal angles are equal. And what about the external angles? Well, this external angle, this and this, all the three are equal. What about the sides? Even the sides are equal. And so, we call this triangle a regular triangle. So, what do we see? All the external angles are equal. So, every external angle will be equal to other external angle, while all the internal angles will be equal to each other. That is, one internal angle will be equal to the other internal angle. And similarly, all the sides are equal in length. So, this is property of any regular polygon. So, what do we call such a triangle which is a regular triangle? We have a special name. When a triangle is regular, we call it an equilateral triangle. So, whenever all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal in a triangle, we call it an equilateral triangle. What about a quadrilateral? Well, when in the case of a quadrilateral, all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, then we call it a square. And in the case of pentagon, it's a regular pentagon. So, when all the sides and all the angles are equal, it's a regular pentagon. And when they are not, then we call it irregular pentagon. Similarly, for hexagon, when all the sides and angles are equal, then it is a regular hexagon. And when all the sides and angles are not equal, it's an irregular hexagon. Similarly, when in the case of heptagon, we have all the sides and angles equal, it's a regular heptagon, and in the case of octagon, it's a regular octagon. So, for triangle, it's equilateral triangle. For quadrilateral, it's square. So, whenever it is a regular quadrilateral, we call it a square. But apart from that, all the different polygons are called regular or irregular. So, a regular pentagon, regular hexagon, and so on. So, now can you answer this question? In a regular polygon, all internal angles are equal, but external angles may or may not be equal. What do you think is the right answer? Is it true or is it false? Well, the correct answer is false. When we are talking about a regular polygon, all the angles are equal. That is, all the internal angles will be equal to each other and all the external angles will also be equal to each other. So, this is a false statement. So, what do we know about a regular polygon? We have learnt that in the case of a regular polygon, all sides are equal. All interior angles are equal. And what about exterior angles? All exterior angles are also equal. So, in the case of a polygon which is regular, all the sides will be equal. That is, the length of all the sides will be same. Also, measure of all the interior angles will be equal. So, every interior angle will measure the same as any other interior angle of the polygon. And every exterior angle will measure same as any other exterior angle of the same polygon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.